Ka Meghalaya Estimate Committee mentakas ngi balang kala hiar sha West Jante Hills District banlet jurep iaka residential school kabadan hakasnang Sabahmuswang West Jante Hills District. Ka committee hapo ka jingelam jong chairman ubadeiru UMLA kanong po uba Meral Bonds haringkat ka jingsen ran lang UMLA ka mau kerwan uba Renington L Tongkar UMLA ka North Shillong uba Edelbert Nongrum, MLA ka Jawai Wailat Miki Syllad, MLA ka Selsela Arbenstone B Marak, bat ka MLA ka Ampati ka Miani di Shira, kilalet ban jurep yakane ka residential school, ban bishar benya halor ka jinglong jingman, bat ka rukom long ka jingtei jongkane ka jaka pulir. Na kaliang kidekot kila ailat ru ya uwahe shnong ka Sabahmuswang bat ya kitrai ki balano senyang ya ka jaka na ka benta bantai ya kane ka residential school baken penpaw ya ki jing ki jongki bat halor kino kimat ki bayadai bat kane ka school bat halor ka jing trekam jongka.
Lada ki mentar cukup dalam lam kam masuk ke Senin Shim no kan ini bukan itu.
Betul tu kan benar macam kita cakap nomor harga agreement atau kepor dia penting nomor harga balong penari profesor asing lalu yang ada ni national agreement di nalang ya baru penting tang kejauhi teman kata apa sah teknik agreement dia kan list agreement bah lagi try jaka dekat
Kidon tangga ayu bat ki try jaka bat ka snong
Ada ngipet ada sedang apa sanction jadi benwan bet adwan go bet di sanction di school film hostel di ong residential school humno itu kata kalau hotel mana nilai kai kemudian kita kan di yang ya ini dekat kumlong ka dalam skrip kal progress along 100% financial issue in the sal betul ada ini ada to anak kalian jong ke education department i kong kumdu i maksudnya harus di sini seperti ini pila ju ko em ba ban peteng kini kiwi komponen work don kamane ka residential school
laga from the office they give bilang up like the leaders kalau mana building to complete dan progress say through the education department dia kata lupa ke district level coordination committee dan nak yang dia sebut itu because inisiatif ini tempat facility like ini pak cause dia review habis
residential school ia ibarat complete your building bagi Jakarta di quarter di block boys itu di office saya kamu kandon tayo surong ro kandon ya kalai ro kandon amarangi nang idang sibol ke jingsa ini nakalingi ro ni ketu committee ki bawah mo naga estimate committee makin ya keren lani ban pek ban semua dia ni kan lek ban sa di school ni Masya Allah sisni yo indo segi indo segi lagi kini ide bagus agak taruh.
All over the state, where few residential school that has been sanctioned at the same time, the work has not yet been completed. So compared to other sites, this is quite satisfactory for the committee. So on behalf of the committee. Even though the observation of the committee is that because we have been mandated by the Meghalaya District Assembly to follow up issues and project that has been stalled, that has not been completed, and why we select this site also, we select randomly all over the state. So few area we found out that it is completed, few area we found that it is 50%, some area we found is only 15%, 10% is like that. So we are quite satisfactory today after visiting this site as per the estimate already made as per the work order, and we are quite happy to see that the building has completed, and except other component to be a complete residential school that we have discussed and DC also, you please take cognizance of this issue, because as a district head, it is your responsibility to follow up, especially be it central scheme or state scheme. And then from DSEO and then from the education department, PWD building as the implementing agency also, we would like to see that the rest of the components to make it complete as a residential school, you will have to send a proposal from the education department, even though they already have a plan through this residential society that has been formed or will be formed in days to come. But from the district point of view, feedback has to be sent from all the district. We advise the district like that to send to the education department, so that all the residential school that has been set up in different CNRD block in the state, they will be made functional. Shortage of resources, sometimes central project scheme discontinue, there's no funding, not even in residential school, even in the polytechnic we have also is the same issue. So it is a challenge for the government, but still, as a committee mandated by Meghalaya District Assembly, it is our duty to follow up issues and to try our level best to take all the feedback, the observation to the concerned department, and we would like to ask for for each and every one of you, especially the landowner, to please bear. Yes, okay. Please bear the landowner, the village head who are here, for your generosity. Thank you so much, and you please bear with the department, with the government. We'll find out ways and means as much as we can.
Hadian kania yakini ki dekat lale buram ha ka jingyalang ka balalong hapo ka committee hall ha Sabahmuswang. Shu ha kani ka jingyalang layadon lang ru u deputy commissioner West Jante Hills uba BS Solia IAS District School Education Officer Jawai kakong EPs EM bat ki he nakatanat PWD building.
Meghalaya District Assembly, as the chairman, would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Sabahmuswang, to the Education Department, to the Deputy Commissioner, to the PWD building, and all official concerned who are present here. Our sole intention is to carry forward the legacy that has been left behind, and we would like to see that this residential school that has been started here in Sabahmuswang, it will see the light of the day. It is not a promise that 100% it will be within a night that it will function, but as I have said in my opening remark, the spot also, it is a challenge to the government, it's a challenge to the committee, but we wouldn't let you down as the people of this village, especially those landowners who have donated land.